This is the before. I hated all of the gray. It just made this opening entry a little depressing. The one gray wall at the door made everything else seem really dark. The hallway was dark, so I wanted to freshen that up and paint. I tackled the paint myself because I was too impatient to wait on the painter to arrive. It's not as professional as I would like, but it is what it is. You're looking at this server and I'm just removing everything. I'm gonna clean it up. I've had this for some time, but the color getting on my nerves. You can see how dirty it is. And I'm going to paint this out. It's a substantially large piece. It's 98 inches in length. So I'm taking the mirrors off. I'm going to use this gorgeous chalk paint. Everything that I'm using, I will leave a link in the description box. I can't say enough about chalk paint. It is the easiest paint finish for revamping or revitalizing furniture. I've used it on a fireplace. For this size piece of furniture, I'm gonna use maybe half the can. Next, I'm lifting up the server, which is heavy. I didn't empty it out so that I'm able to put a protector of paper on the floor. These furniture lifters are the bomb. They're the best thing that I found between those and little felts to move the furniture, but this saves a lot. I don't need two people in order to move things, lift things. I even have one for the bed so that I'm able to pull a rug from underneath the bed without assistance. So right now I've cleaned off everything. I am utilizing the chalk paint. I've chosen the color black because everything else is going to be white. And I think that black level of contrast is what's needed. So I am switching up the brush for this little fine detailed area, and this is a round paintbrush. It's made exclusively for chalk painting. I will leave a link again for this brush, and it just makes it so much faster. You can see that there's not a whole lot that you need to do. A kindergartner could chalk paint furniture and make it look good. This is the next day. I let the chalk paint dry overnight, and I am using and wiping off a wax compound. You can either use wax or you can spray some type of final spray. I didn't want to spray it because I was too lazy to cover everything up, the walls. There's so much overspray when you use an enamel type spray for finishing. So I am wiping off the wax. It's called a wax finisher. And next I decided to lay the rug out. Now this rug came from the family room because remember it's fall and I want to use things that I already have instead of going out buying new pieces for each season. The furniture lifters is what I will use in order to execute this by myself. Now it's time to start decorating. I switched out the lamp. This lamp is about 33 inches tall and I love the gold. It's a glass gold with the white shade. I think it's gorgeous. Now let's talk about this pot. I purchased this from Pottery Barn because online it looked gorgeous and I thought it would be perfect for my entry hall. And I chose some stems that I thought would represent fall. I'm going to let you guys watch and you give me your thoughts on it because as this video plays through, you will definitely see what I thought about the finished product. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. So I decided to use these white vases and create my own floral arrangement, but I like that contrast with the white. I think they match the core style of what I have in the entry, which is pretty much transitional. And so I'm going to place a faux book. This is a faux book that I had painted out years ago, white. Remember those faux books that were brown and black? Well, I actually painted mine out white because it matches my decor so that I can still use them. So I'm just playing around with positioning and figuring out what I would like to use. Decided to go with this pampas grass. Guys, when you see the finished product of how this floral pampas grass arrangement turned out, it is absolutely gorgeous. I just love this detail. I think these are like acorns, and then I used another dry floral at the bottom. The way that it turned out, it looks so organic, but the texture is gorgeous. This small wreath I picked up at Target. And I'm just gonna place it here and use it for a candle holder. This is another Target candle. It smells so good. It adds a little bit of a fall color. And then I'm just going to add another candle, some peppermints, and it's sitting on top of a marble tray that I chose from like Home Goods, I think is where I picked that up from. On the opposite side, I removed what was there previously. The bench is not new. It was in the family room. These two small prints I'm placing over the bench. Then I will add some pillows. So right now I'm deciding on the pillow combination that I would like to utilize with color. Here's another trick. I usually, even though I purchased these pillows in the store, I will replace the insets. What comes in the store is it's a foam type, and they make the pillows really hard and just not soft and pliable. So I replace them with a down insert, and you can purchase those inexpensively at a IKEA. It's the best location that I found. I added the drapery over the landing, and this made the most dramatic difference. I cannot talk enough about the soft, gorgeous camel color drapery. Look at the before. The before of this landing was hideous with the dark gray. Adding the drapery gave the most dramatic look. This is absolutely gorgeous and stunning from the first floor level. Enjoy the remaining of the video and leave a comment. Let me know what was your favorite.
I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? Cause I got high hopes. Me a game, 'cause I got high hopes. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Do you feel the same? 'Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game?
If you like this video, hit that like button or subscribe. You will be notified each time there is a new upload. Until next time, make every day a great day.